Hi, friends and family. Hi, Ophelia. Hi, Royce. All right, today I'm going to read The Truck Book. This is by Harry McNaught. This is everybody's favorite truck. The Truck Book by Harry McNaught. Look at all these cool cars. So this first one is a Fifth Avenue bus, New York City. And this one's an early electric truck and an early fire engine, Model T truck. This is the Wienermobile. Look at this, milk truck, sewing machine truck was steam powered. This says, trucks do important work, but they are fun to look at too. Some of the early trucks were especially fun to see. One milk truck looked like a giant milk bottle. Its shape told people what kind of work it did. Those are fun. Look at this. Trucks go everywhere and do all kinds of work. They help people clean the streets and put out fires. Most trucks are built to carry heavy loads. Some are so big they can even carry other trucks. So this is called a tractor trailer hauling new pickup trucks. So this is the tractor trailer, and these are all the new pickups. This is a Jeep. Some trucks can go where there are no paved roads. An off-road dump truck travels on dirt roads or rough fields. This one can carry 85 tons of rock. That is as much as 17 elephants weigh. Wow, 17 elephants. That's a lot. Dump truck. Looks like a crane truck. That's what it says. Specially built trucks are needed to lift and move heavy things. The back of a dump truck lifts to let its load slide out. Cranes have a long arm called a boom that can lift heavy loads. A forklift truck has weights at the back so it can pick up heavy things without tipping over. Here's the forklift. There's a boom truck. There's another boom truck. When you put signs up, a lot of times you'll use these boom trucks. A bunch of earth movers. Let's see, what do we have here? Trucks move tons of earth to make new roads. A backhoe digs. So this is the backhoe. Lifts and dumps loads of dirt. A tractor hauls the dirt away. Other trucks help by filling holes and smoothing out humps. Oh, and it says a grader makes the roadbed smooth by dragging a blade along the road. So this is the payloader, which is like a tractor with a bucket. And this is the grader. That's got the blade that goes along and flattens the road. And then this is an elevating scraper. And then this, the backhoe. So this is a vending truck or a food truck. This one's an ice cream truck. Hand truck, they serve hot dogs out of those a lot. I call them hot dog carts. Sanitation truck, the garbage men use this one. This one's like a moving truck, moving van. Tractor with a tilt cab. So see how it goes. And then this one is called a tank truck. Ooh, this looks like a log skidder. Let's see what it says. In the forest, logging trucks can quickly do jobs that once took lumberjacks many days of work. A log feller, which is this one, grabs a tree with its long arm. In just a few seconds, its powerful blades cut right through the tree trunk. After the trees have been cut down, a grapple skidder, which is this one, gathers them up with its claw. Then it drags them to the loading area. Oh, there's the logging truck. A log loader picks up the logs and stacks them onto a truck. A big tractor trailer carries the logs to the lumber mill where they will be cut into boards. So here we have a truck scooter, refrigerated truck, so it stays cold. We have a tow truck or a wrecker. Tank truck, like for water or fuel. Cherry picker, see that? It goes up and over. Cherry picker. That's what like the electricians use. This one's called an armored truck. That's what they carry the money in. And then this is called a gooseneck trailer hauling a bulldozer. So gooseneck, and that's a bulldozer. Ooh, look at all these RVs. So there are trucks built for people to live in, at least when they go on vacation. They drive from place to place and stop off at campgrounds. At night, they sleep inside their camper trucks. Some small trailers have tents attached to them. Other campers are vans. The roofs lift up so that people can walk around inside. Most big motorhomes have their own bathroom and kitchen. Oh, big RV. This one's like a tow behind. There's a tent trailer. This one's a Volkswagen. This one's like a pop-up truck. This one's a van camper. And this is a motorhome. And this is a trailer home or a fifth wheel, these are often called. And this is a well for pumping water. Oh, look at these fire trucks. There's a ladder truck. When the fire station is quiet, firefighters clean the trucks and check on the ladders and hoses. Then when there is a fire, the trucks are ready to go. Sirens scream, bells ring, and lights flash, telling people on the street to move out of the way. The hook and ladder truck helps firefighters reach the top floors of tall buildings. The pumper sends water through the hoses to put out the fire. So this is the pump truck, and this is the ladder truck. Oh, and there's Dalmatians. Did you see the Dalmatians? Ooh, look at that. Concrete truck. A new building is going up. Cranes lift beams and pipes and batches of concrete and sections of wall to the top floors of the new building. So this is a big crane. This truck mixes water, clay, limestone, and gravel to make concrete. The concrete comes out of the chute at the back of the truck and is used to make sidewalks, floors, foundations for homes, or even tilt-up buildings. bus, city bus, and then a double-decker bus. Let's see, buses carry people to stores, schools, offices, and factories. Some cities, like London and New York, have double-decker buses. It's fun to go ride upstairs. Yellow school buses have special signal lights that go whenever the bus stops. These lights tell other drivers to stop until the children have crossed the street safely. So there's a school bus and the city bus and then the double-decker buses. Look at all of these. So we have a bottle truck, cable carrier, library bookmobile, pavement cutter, dump truck with snowplow, see those in the winter, farm tractor, bottom dump truck, and spreader. Trucks carry books, trucks carry bottles, trucks cut holes in city streets so workers can fix things underground. Some trucks dig holes in the ground and put telephone poles in place. Other trucks help repair holes in the road. Tractors pull plows in farm fields. Special trucks drive on railroad tracks. So there's a telephone pole planter. There's a railroad truck. There's a high flight truck. Those they use like at the airport. And that one's a glazer's truck to carry glass. Everywhere you go, trucks are hard at work and they are fun to look at. That's a straddle carrier, look at that. And that's the end. The Truck Book by Harry McNaught. Sweet dreams. Good night, everyone. Thanks for watching Grandma Alicia's Storytime. Remember to subscribe, and if you feel like it, you can comment your favorite book below. Or tell us what you thought about the book we just read. Thank you.